In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly with Zapier. This integration is a fantastic way to streamline and automate your scheduling processes, ensuring that everything runs smoothly between these two powerful platforms. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a seamless connection set up that can save you time and hassle in managing your appointments. To begin, head over to the Zapier homepage. If you're not already logged in, make sure you do so with your account credentials. Once you're on the homepage, look for the App Connections section. This is where you can manage all the different applications you want to integrate through Zapier. It's an exciting hub for connectivity, letting you automate tasks with ease, so let's dive right in. Click on App Connections, which will guide you to a page displaying all your current connections. This is your central point for managing apps, streamlining processes, and optimizing workflows, all contributing to a more efficient work environment. Next, you'll need to click on Add Connection. This button is essential as it allows you to integrate new apps into your Zapier workspace. The Add Connection option is your gateway to extending the functionality of your current setup. Now in the search box, type Calendly. This will quickly filter through the list of available apps and direct you straight to Calendly. It's always helpful to use the search function when dealing with large app lists, as it saves you from scrolling endlessly. Once you've identified Calendly from the list, click on it. This ensures that Zapier understands you want to connect this specific app. Identifying the correct app is crucial because, with so many apps available, one can easily get lost or end up connecting the wrong application. After selecting Calendly, click again on Add Connection to initiate the process. The system will now start to prepare the two platforms for integration, a key step toward completing this connection. Finally, you need to connect to Calendly to allow the two platforms to communicate effectively. Be sure to log in to your Calendly account beforehand, as this prevents any interruptions during the connection process. Once logged in, you can confidently click on the prompt to connect to Calendly, approving the integration. And there you have it, a fully integrated Calendly and Zapier setup. You're now ready to automate your scheduling tasks between these platforms. This connection will help maintain organization and efficiency, saving you valuable time and effort. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the seamless experience of using Calendly with Zapier.